I'll trust you. Okay, so we'll go through two long answer ones here. This guy here is just saying find out where the two of them meet. Okay, it's saying that there's two linear equations. One passes through these 2 points, and that's the other one. So if I go line 2, I don't need to find the rule of that one. I already have it. So let's go take a look at line 1. Line 1. I know I have 2 points. So most of you were able to start off and do this perfect. You saw this guy here. You knew that right on, I'm going to, right off the bat, I'm going to start off and find out what my slope is. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay? And so let's just label these guys x1, y1, x2, y2. And some of you just made like little mistakes here, right? Just tiny little errors in terms of maybe this wasn't plus 2 down here in the bottom. Okay? So, you know, it happens. Not a big deal. Just make sure to like check over everything in that regard. So there's my slope. My slope is negative 6 over 12. So it would be negative 0.5. Okay? So that would be that guy there. I'm then going to plug it in to the one up above it. So I'm going to take one of these points here. So I'll take, let's just say, negative 2 and 5 and a slope of negative 0.5. And we will go ahead and we will do step 2, which is find B. Okay? So this is where a lot of people kind of got lost too, is they found M and then they just made a mistake finding this guy here. So I'm just going to plug in M is negative 0.5 and use 2. Is it negative 2?
Yeah.
Negative 2.
I didn't put a negative, that's why you got to run off.
So then that'll throw it off. So then slope is going to be negative 0.5 times negative 2 plus B. The negative times a negative tripped up a lot of people there on that one, right? Where they multiplied these two together. And I can't tell you how many people ended up here with like a negative 1. And then when they brought it over, they ended up with 6. This is a positive 1. So when I bring that over, B will be equal to, no? What would it be?
B would be equal to, here I'll tell you.
So B would negative 6?
It'd be equal to 4. Oh. Because I'd be subtracting the 1. Okay?
How'd I get 10.5?
I don't know. So again, the majority of what you guys had happen were just like little simple mistakes.
This is for line 1.
This is for line 1, yeah. Because you have the rule for the other line.
9.5 equals B.
Yeah. So just a couple of little kind of confusing points. That was basically it. But now we have line 1, right? Y is equal to negative 0.5x plus 4. So now we have both lines, which means step 3, I can do comparison. Okay? Yeah, I'm going to have to do a little restart on this after this. She's slowing down a little. So comparison just means we're going to put one equation on one side, one on the other side. X plus 4. So I'll bring this to this side. So I would have 2.5x minus 6 is equal to 4. Again, this is just the combining like terms portion of this. So whenever I put one equation on one side and one on the other side, my next step is just to combine like terms. Okay?
I think I forgot to do a whole step.
Combine like terms.
So combine like terms. So 2.5x would be equal to now 10. And then I can, at this stage, I'm just going to divide both sides by 2.5. X will be equal to 4. But wait, we're not done. Once we have x is equal to y, comparison, y is equal to y, step 4 will be basically plug it in.
Forgot to do a whole step.
Okay, plug it in. So on this guy here, plug it in. I'm going to take x is equal to 4, and I'm going to throw it into one of the easier equations. So y is equal to 2x minus 6. 2 times 4 minus 6. So y is equal to 8 minus 6, which means y would be equal to 2. So where did they meet? They met where x is 4 and y is 2. That is the final answer for that guy there. Any questions on that?
Mine
Yeah.